these types of relaxing videos get millions of views in Instagram. If you pay attention, you'll see it's actually not a video. This video is created from image. Today I will show you the process of creating this video. So let's start. First we need two images, one for our background, another for our foreground. For background you can choose any image, but for foreground you will need an image of a room which has a window. For generating the images I will use Leonardo AI, which is totally free. If you haven't used Leonardo AI yet, then there is a video in this channel, you can watch it from the description. To generate image, I will write the description of the image that I want to create, and here I have got 4 images. If I put the mouse above the image, I will get a download option. I will download the image from there. Now I will create the background image. So I am writing here a wide angle view of a mountain with snow. You can create other type of images for your project. Now I will download this image as well. Now our second step is to remove the window part from the foreground image. You can do that in Photoshop or any other photo editing software, but here I am using Photopea. It's an online version of Photoshop and you can use it for free, and you don't have to install any heavy software to use it. First I will click on new project to create a project. Then I will select my video resolution. Here I am selecting YouTube cover. Then I will drag the foreground image that I downloaded previously and drop it in canvas. Then I will resize the image from the corner and will match it with the canvas. Now I will select polygonal tool. Then I will zoom the image a little bit. Then you will see a plus icon on the screen. I will keep this icon in one corner of the window. Then I will click on mouse. Then I will go to the second corner and then make another click. Then I will go to the third corner and then make another click, and like this I will select all the corners of the window, and at the end I will come back to the first corner. Then our window part will be selected. Now if I click backspace on keyboard, this will erase the selected part. Now if I delete the background layer, you can see the window part of this image is transparent now. Now I will zoom into the second window. Then I will select quick selection tool. We need to use this tool this time. As you can see, there is a chair in front of my window. So to remove this part, I have to use the quick selection tool. Now if I select quick selection tool and then click on this part, this will select this part of the image. Now if I click backspace in the keyboard, this will erase the selected part. Now I will again select the polygonal tool, and like the first time, I will again select the remaining corners of the window and then erase that part. Now I will go to the file menu and select export as PNG to save this image. Now if I click on save, this will download my image. Now I will open CapCut software. You can use other video editing software as well. Now I will select transparent foreground image and the background image and import it to CapCut. Now I will drag both images into timeline. I will keep the foreground image above the background image in timeline. Now I will resize the background image a little bit and fit it with the window. In third step, we will add some elements to our video to make it realistic. If you search Snowfall black screen in YouTube, you will get this type of snowfall videos, and if you search fireplace green screen in YouTube, you will get fire videos like this. Now I will download these 2 videos. You can use any YouTube online downloader to download this video. From Google, I will download a transparent image of a window glass. Now I will import these 3 elements to CapCut. Now I will put the snowfall video in the middle of the foreground and background image. Then I will match the video duration of these 2 images with the snowfall video. Then I will select the snowfall video, and then from the right side menu I'll go to blending mode and select screen blending mode. This will automatically remove the black part from the video. Now I will resize this a little bit with the window. Now I will copy this snowfall video once to make the snowfall more intense. Now I will zoom this video a little bit where the fireplace is. Then I will put the green screen fire video in the top of the timeline. Now I will reduce the size, then put it above the fireplace. Now from the right side, I will go to remove VG menu and then select chroma key. Then from the color picker, I will select green color. Now I will adjust the intensity and the shadow until the green part of this video is totally removed. You can see there are still some green color here. So now I will go to adjustment menu. Then I will select SSL. Then I will select the green color and then decrease the tint and increase the saturation. Now here you can see there is no more green color in the fire. But you can see the fire is not looking that much realistic here. So now I will select the video menu then I will select the basic menu, then I will go to blending mode, and then I will select overlay blending mode. Now you can see the file looks even more realistic. Now I will put the window layer in the timeline, then I will keep this window layer under the foreground layer. Then I will increase the duration, then I will adjust it with the window, then I will again go to blending mode, and then I will select soft light blending mode. I will put this in one window, and then I will make a copy of this and put it in another window. This will make the window look much more realistic. It is almost ready, but you can see my foreground is yellow and my background is bluish. So now I will select the background image from timeline, then I will go to the adjustment menu, then I will increase the temperature a little bit to match the background and foreground color. This will make the video look more realistic. At the end, I will select all the layers from the timeline, then I will right click on the mouse and then create a compound clip. From the bottom of the preview menu, I will select ratio, and then I will select 9:16 ratio. Then I will select the layer from the timeline, then I will go to video menu and then increase the size. Then I will slide the video to the right side. I will put a keyframe in the position. Then I will go to the end of my video, then I will slide the video to the left side of the frame. This will add a camera movement in my video, and finally the video will look like this. Now from the top right corner, I will click on export, then I will export this video. So that's it for today's video. I tried to explain the process in the easiest way to you, and thanks for watching this video.